Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, November 21st, and this is my analysis for the pound US dollar, and we're on the daily time frame to start with. So the pound dollar did try to turn up a little bit yesterday at to 78%, but I mean, we can't deny that the trend is very heavily down. Like I was saying yesterday, it does look like a possible A, B, C type thing forming, which would maybe end up looking something like this, but that's very, very counter trend. And when you start coming up with very counter trend analysis, oftentimes what happens is it just keeps on going down and you end up losing trades on the sort of time frames because of it. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I'm definitely staying very bearish because of that information on the daily. So I got my Fibonacci retracement on where the last series of lower lows, lower highs started, which is right here. Looking at my Fibonacci levels for a possible Fibonacci bounce, we are definitely still looking for shorts because of the daily, weekly time frame being down. If we get three waves up to a fib level and golfing down, then I definitely will take it as another sorting opportunity. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.